are my favorite.
Name them. Name them.
I did fraction set, then
Mm-hmm.
geoboard,
Mm-hmm.
then tile kit,
Tile kit.
then 3D shapes.
3D shapes. Okay.
I think I forgot what was it called, but it was like few boards where you keep it like this, and you'll
Okay.
get numbers.
You learn area
Like
perimeter. You learn
Place
area
value.
perimeter. You learn area perimeter over there. That one.
Place value.
Place value.
Here.
Place value. Collecting things, we should send some of it to us. I think now we'll be also sending it. I think a kit they've already. Honey, do you like the science kit?
You like the
Science kit.
It's not.
Which one you have done? Which one you have done in the class?
separation of
Separation of substances.
Okay. And do you make some electric circuit or something? What do you do in the science?
Yeah, I like do some Arduino and such.
Who is your favorite subject and teacher? Come on, tell us.
Ma'am, my favorite subject is maths, and my favorite, all of them are my favorite teachers. But
Very different.
one of my most favorite teacher is maths, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I like math, and ma'am explains it so well. Even if I don't understand some concepts, she doesn't she doesn't feel irritated if I ask her about the concepts 2 or 3 times.
What about science? Not so much.
Science, I also like science, ma'am. Basically, I like all subjects, and I'm interested in all of them.
Okay.
Say that. Which one is your favorite teacher? You just have to say now.
Everyone.
Everyone. He's now. He's getting particularly correct.
Okay. And favorite subject?
English.
English. You like English. Okay. Very good.